feel like we gotta tick off another thing that we haven't done in a while off the checklist. I'll tell you what, Galaxy's Edge has put a hold on our Disneyland lives for a few months now, for a few weeks at least. And one of the last remaining things to do that we haven't done in a long time, actually we might do all these things. All right, so yeah, Splash Mountain, Big Thunder.
And you don't have to try to get a glimpse of what's going on in Star Wars because you already know what's in there.
That's true. Hey, do you think we could see in there and see some Batuans?
No, but you could actually.
Hi.
Who you are?
Maybe.
You're a YouTuber, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I know exactly.
Awesome. Yeah, let's see.
Like, when was the last time you tried watching the goat, huh?
Well, I do still watch the goat. Actually, I don't watch the goat. I look away from the goat.
When was the last time on that turn you focused on the ride and not trying to get a shot?
It's been a minute, I think. Yeah, it's been a minute. So that's where we're heading now. We have some Fastpasses for Big Thunder, and then maybe after, we're gonna try to jump on the Columbia, and then we'll get some lunch, and then we'll go on Splash Mountain, and we're thinking of maybe Hungry Bear for lunch because it's right there, and then maybe we'll go on Winnie the Pooh, and who knows what else. It'll probably be open by the time. Hey, should we get a fast pass for Splash?
I looked. The current return time's pretty much aboard now.
Oh, is it still now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So like, it's so quick. There's no point grabbing one right now.
Right, right. I know, right? lost focus. Oh no, he reckoned.
Watch! Up with the speaker! Out for the spirit sail! All hands, ease the weather braces. We sail.
Well guys, we managed to make it all the way to Critter Country to enjoy our next adventure that we've not done in such a very long time, and that is Splash Mountain. Now, are you aware of all the changes they've made to this ride?
They changed it?
Oh yeah. No, they've changed it a lot. Yeah. And they also made it Marvel themed.
Yeah, Namor, he splashes around.
Yeah. We're this way. Fast Pass return entrance right here
Yes, it is now sponsored by Ziploc.
for the Marvel themed Splash Mountain. I think it's been great. I guess they. Hi guys. Hi. It sounds actually like they may have rethemed it again to the Renaissance Fair.
It only is meant to have that tone, but does have a slight.
Doesn't it?
Does have a slight bit of that tone.
I should definitely like a pint of mead. Hey guys. Just moving right along. Three.
For your safety, just stay seated. Your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the law. Be sure to wash your hands. Have a zippity doo all right. Para su segunda, permanezca sentado y mantenga los brazos. Gracias.
Oh no! Thanks, Galaxy's Edge. That boat was empty.
Come here,
took that one right in the face. Right in the face. We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!